Hello, welcome to Artistic Adventures by Rosie, where creativity takes flight. Join us as we explore the enchanting world of a girl with wings where imagination soars beyond boundaries. Each stroke of the brush unfolds a story of magic and wonder. Step into the realm of Artistic Adventures by Rosie, where the canvas becomes a playground for dreams and the ordinary transforms into the extraordinary. Delve into the captivating narrative of a girl with wings as Rosie's artistry waves tales of whimsy and freedom. Join us on this imaginative journey where creativity knows no bounds. Subscribe now and let the wings of inspiration carry you through the enchanting landscapes of Rosie's artistic wonders. Subscribe to embark on this artistic journey with Rosie, where every adventure is a masterpiece waiting to be discovered. Thank you.